Hello, this is how to cook great food. We're making fried rice today. Now we're gonna using bell peppers, cooked rice, garlic, spring onion, and onion. And this is what we're gonna make of it. We got some oil in there cooking, and we got some garlic. We're gonna put them in.
Spoon. Mix. So we're going to cook the garlic in the hot oil just for about 20 or 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to put in the onions.
Okay.
In they go. All.
Now we're going to put the onions in.
Yeah.
Mix now.
Mix now, yeah. And tell them that they have to cook on a very high heat now for 3 minutes.
Now you have to cook in the high heat in 3 minutes.
See you then.
See you later. Now we're gonna put in the pan the salt and pepper.
Great, give it a stir. Careful because it's on a high heat, isn't it?
Okay. Now we're gonna put in the pan the bell peppers.
Go ahead, babe.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow, ow, ow. Okay, stir it. How long do we cook it for?
2 minutes.
2 minutes on a high heat. Careful because it's very hot.
Okay. Be careful. Now we're gonna put the rice in the pan and cook it.
How long for?
4 or 5 minutes.
Okay, great. Now what's important now is to actually fry the rice. Some people just put it in for like 2 minutes and it comes out rubbish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually called fried rice, so what we need to do is fry it. So keep it moving on a high heat for about 5 minutes. It's going to be good, this, I think.
Okay.
Can you hear that? It's frying nicely. Oh, that's the rice that's frying as well, which is good. Okay, that's about it. So off goes the heat. What do we do now?
The onion.
Yeah, spring onions.
Spring onion.
Well, in fact, some people, they're called spring onions, green onions, or scallions. Depends where you come from in the world.
Tell the YouTube that.
That's it. In they go. One last little mix. And that's it, isn't it? That's a really easy little lunch, isn't it, or something? Okay.
Okay, see you to how to cook the other channel foods. So make sure you bell and watch how to cook Amharic food and 1, 2, 3. Let's go to them.
Okay, you've got loads of channels, haven't you? Anyway, I always say at the end of my ones, lots of love. Do you want to say it today?
Lots